Hi traders, Anthony here. Okay, we're looking at Bitcoin. I did a video yesterday on this trade setup that I'm going to be talking about in this video, and the video that I did was actually my take on the fib retrace and fib extension. And at the time, this was trading around here. We've got a trend. We can see a higher time frame from the weekly, daily, 4-hour down. We're agreeable here that we're in a downtrend, so we're looking for a short opportunity. And the thing is, you don't want to be looking to go short when the market is overextended. Well, there's a green dot telling us that it's overextended. We didn't get a dot, but we can clearly see that this is overextended. So you're not going to be looking to short this at that level. So my thing was, we want the pullback. This is the hourly chart. So we want the pullback, and we can use the fib. Here it is. And we're looking for the pullback into this yellow zone. So I got the 50 to the 786 marked out here. That's an ideal entry. Okay, if the market pulls back into this zone, I'm going to be interested. Now, I know a lot of people, Fibonacci traders, are going to open positions based on the fib. So they might set up pending shorts, pending orders to sell through this zone here. And I think that's pretty risky. All right. So I don't use the fib in that way, but what I do use the fib for is to give me an idea of, where I might look to enter, if that makes any sense. All right. I mean, here's a couple of examples. We've got this high to low here, and we've got a pullback quite nicely in through here. Same thing again. We could pull a fib and we could see that. Well, see, pullback was actually a lot deeper here, and then we had this, and then we've got this pullback. It's not always going to be picture perfect, but the fib will help you plan a trade, I guess. And then up here, I mean, it just doesn't work at all, and it will here and there, right? So the fib, it's a tool that can help us kind of formulate a trade idea, and I guess that's what I'm trying to get at. So with this in mind, then I'm going to be looking for an opportunity to short it. And if I grab this, I want to show you something. So we've got our fib pullback here. This to me is my point of interest. If I just mark that there, that's my point of interest there. This pullback here, we've had this spike up, and I'm going to just call this my point of interest around here. So we're going to revisit these on the lower time frame and have a look and see. So at the moment, with this pullback, my point of interest is going to be, it's going to be this candle here. So let's go down to the 1 minute chart, and we're going to look at these. So what I'm essentially saying here is we use the fib. We can see it's a downtrend. We pull the fib, and we're looking for an area on the chart that we might consider a point of interest. All right, so we've got those levels here. How do we get involved? Well, I mean, go down to the 1 minute chart, and let's take a look, see how these three areas here shaped up. Okay, so we'll go down to this chart, and the market has to invite me in. It has to invite me in. All right, what do we got here? Let me just scrunch it up and go back. We've got, that's our current. Oh, we've got a breakout. And then we had these two back here. Right, so let's just start with this. Actually, we might have a trade setting up. Anyway, okay, this was my point of interest. So what I'm waiting on is this alert, and that will fire. We've just had it. I think there it is. Look, breakout Bitcoin. Okay, I might want to take that trade. All right, breakout. I'm looking for the The retest of this low where it's broken, retest and fail, it kind of happened here. There's your trade. And I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. Look at that. It's kept going. Another point of interest is here. Okay, that's the breakout that I'm interested in. We get that. And yeah, I mean, we enter whenever, we see it stalling or we see the pullback. That's our short. So we can take these on the 1 minute, and I generally will go for 80% of my position early. And then once I'm in the money and my stop losses break even or better, and I've got 80% in the bag, I'll let it run, and then I'll go back out to 15-minute, 30-minute, and I'll adjust my stop loss accordingly as the market moves in my favor. All right, then we can manage it on the higher time frame and give the stop loss room to breathe. Let me just clear the decks and let's have a look at this. Well, there's another breakout here. Okay, so we're looking for these pullbacks into our fib zone, and then on the 1 minute chart, we're wanting that. That's it. All right, so let's just go and have a look at the current. Where are we? All right, it's here somewhere. Okay, bear with me. Righto. Okay, this is it. I'd be keen on selling right here. Let's just do that. Market, take profit pretty early. I don't know. What have we got? 37,880. And I mean, what I'd like to do here is invite you to jump on board and try my indicators. Give it a week's trial. Take profit. Where are we? Hang on. We're going to go to 37,920. 37,920. Yeah, I'm okay with that. So we'll just go for a market. So this is how I set up my trades basically. And whoops, I think I've done the wrong thing with my target. Never mind. Stop loss is going to go above here. What's that worth? $170. Yeah, oh, okay. Yeah, no worries. Stop loss is going to go above here at the moment. Give it a little bit of room to breathe. And then once I've gained a bit of ground with this, let's say 1 times the ATR or a bit more, make sure that you're covered and you're going to be in the money. Close 80% of that and then trail it. Pull the stop loss down towards break even or better, and then just sit back and wait. It's a risk-free trade then. And then if this continues further, then we can readjust the stop loss and we're in the money. Anyway, guys, I want to get this to my Telegram channel group. It's a trade setup. Follow me, click the link below the video and jump on board. With that, have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.